Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Ukonrat kongkal sangma haka arpu pratarik unaywieng arjar puar ulaong ba Katkum kamap ka Shnong Mukroh kadike batang hap hapo upur usam jong ka West Jantai Hills District ka Jala Meghalaya. Haka jingye karan bat kilat patay kubur ukonrat sangma ulaong ba ka Shnong Mukroh kadai ke badon syadien jong ka Shnong psiar bat kanduli ki artli ki Shnong ki badon marhab bat ka Shnong ki bahap hapo ka blok 1 ki badang don haka jingye ka Japut hapadeng ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam. Ha kabaydai bat kani ka dorba Shnong Mukroh ru kala pensisa Katkum kamap baka Shnong Mukroh kadai ka bahab hapo ka West Jantai Hills District handrai komba lakam da ka sarkar Assam baka dai ka Shnong kabadan hapdeng ka jinya ka Japut.
The maps that we've been given, we have clearly stated, even from the 2011 reports, Mukroh is very much in Meghalaya. The areas beyond that, if you meters or exact distance I would not know, but ahead of Mukroh then starts the area of PCR Khanduli, which is there as area of differences, and then from the PCR Khanduli area, that section, then starts the block 1, block 2 section out there. So therefore Mukroh itself is very much in Meghalaya. There's no question about that. We have already put up a judicial inquiry being headed by Justice Vaika.